Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI. I love staying hydrated, especially when I'm on the go, maybe at the gym, at the beach. This water bottle from Hydro Flask does the job for me. It is 24 ounces, so I don't have to worry about refilling. I don't have to worry about running out of water. I love it. It is insulated, so it keeps my cold water cold for 24 hours. I just put some ice cubes in there and I'm ready to go all day. One thing I really love about it is that it's leak proof, so when you put it in your bag, nothing comes out. It stays nice and tight and secure. So if you compare the 24-ounce Hydro Flask with the 21-ounce, you can see it's much taller, but when you compare it with the 32-ounce, you can see it's much slimmer. So that makes it much easier to carry it around in your bag, also on your bike, or even in your car. It has a really wide mouth, so I can drink out of it with no problems. I don't have to worry about that. The top actually helps it to stay insulated, and you can carry it wherever you go if you'd like. I love this double-walled insulated water bottle by Hydro Flask. It is perfect for on the go. I think you'll love it too, but that's just my point of view.